How to turn off or on notifications on TikTok now. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn it off or on easy and quick. First open TikTok now and then click on your profile here, then click these three lines and here we'll find push notifications. Now click on it and disable this one here, and now all the notifications is disabled, and that's it. Then just go back as you see, push notifications off, and that's it. And now I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.